statement says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle was recently
The
discovered
town of
abandoned,
Nude,
Nude.
nude.
reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search into the nearby communities of Harlem and Chinatown will unearth new leads. Family and friends are urging anyone with information regarding her disappearance to please come forward. Residents of the
Please come.
I am Boopa.
Oh, like he's freaking out real hard.
I see someone.
Gotta get him. Sick him. Sick him, girl. Sick him. Are you giving him the chainsaw?
The chainsaw overheated. I killed someone!
Nice.
Yeah! Oh, you can thrust the chainsaw!
Nice.
That's so cool. I see that dingle dangle.
Doo-doo.
I'm so lost, it's so dark, I can't. This is actually kind of fun.
Rah.
I see you. I think they're escaping. They're bullying me!
Oh no.
I didn't know killers can be bullied in this game too.
Um,
Barbecue sauce coming from inside of her.
nice.
The gate is open, oh my god. Don't open it, you dumbass! Sons of affection. Oh.
Sounds a little bit saucy.
Grandpa is in danger! Wow.
Wait, what?
I don't know why they didn't run away. LOL! They could have escaped.
They just chose not to, I guess.
Yeah.
Idiot.
They thought they could do the DPD where they just stand next to
Oh
the...
yeah, teabag at the exit, you know?
Yeah.
Well, they fucking deserved it then, didn't they?
Yeah. Oh, I'm exposed. Wonderful. That's all I needed. Hanging on this hook.
Yeah, I can't. I'm at the one. Like, if the other guy was coming from the other gate, I might be able to do it, but.
Yeah, it's okay. Oh my god, Quentin, you hero!
Okay, okay, yeah, he did it. He did do it. We distracted him. Nice. Okay. Get out, survive. Oh.
How did that happen? How did I get saved? Hello!
Fuck this guy. Lady, you know what using, bitch. You are my hero.
My hero. Mommy loves you.
Right. Right, already up. I'll also be back in a second to grab my food.
Yes. What a cutie.
We're all here. We are all here. It's like...
What totem is this?
I have no idea. I think it's the haste one.
Okay. Can't catch me. Can't catch me.
You. You. The plays, baby. The plays. Wait, no. Why is she not getting on the what? Well, why is she not body blocking? What a coward. What a coward.
Oh, everyone tried so hard.
I know, right? What a coward. We went all in on that. Oh, now you come here. If this... Don't you dare get me up. I have plot twist, you dumb bitch. Please don't heal me. Oh my... Okay, thank God. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck you're doing. Cleansing herself of AIDS first, apparently, but like... That's not more important than getting your heals. What is she doing? Is she a bot or something? Or what is she doing? Yeah, get on the gen! Oh my God, why did she put it down? Oh my God.
He's staring down the hook. He's literally staring down.
Okay.
Oops.